Use Euclid's division algorithm to find highest common factor of these pair of integers. So first let us take 135 and 225. So first, to find the highest common factor of two integers, we have to consider which is the greater number. So 135, 225. When compared to 135, 225 is the greater. So 225 is considered as the dividend. So 225, 135 as the divisor. 1 into 135 is 135. So we get 0 and 9. So 90 as the remainder. Now by using Euclid's division lemma, we can write 225 is equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. Here the remainder is 90. This process should be repeated till the remainder gets 0. So now what we are going to do is 135 is taken as the dividend and the remainder 90 is taken as the divisor. So on proceeding this, we get 1 into 90 is 90. The remainder of this is 545. So again it is not equal to 0. Now by using Euclid's lemma, we can write this 135 as 135 equal to 90 into 1 plus the remainder 45. The process is repeated again with 90 as the dividend and the remainder 45 as the divisor. So 2 into 45 is 90. Now the remainder is 0. So 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. So the place where we got 0, the remainder as 0, and that position divisor is called the highest common factor of the pair of integers. So in this case, the highest common factor of 135 and 225 is 45. The next pair of integer is 196 and 38,220. So here this is greater number, 196 is less than 38220. Now using the division process, 38220 and 196 as the divisor. 1 into 196 is 196. Now the remainder will be 12 minus 6 is 6 and 7, we get 8 1 2 0. Now 9 into 196 is 1764. On subtracting these two things, we get 0. Here it is 8 9 0 0. So 980. 5 into 196 is 980. So the remainder is 0 here. So from this, by using Euclid's division lemma, we can write 38220 equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. So we obtain the remainder as 0 in the case of divisor 196. Therefore, the HCF of these two terms is 196. So HCF of 196 and 30,220 is 196. So the third pair of integer is 867 and 255. So we'll choose which is the greater number. 255 is less than 867. Now using the long division process, 867 is taken as the dividend and 255 is the divisor. So 3 into 255 is 765. The remainder is 102. Now by using the Euclid's division lemma, we can write 867 equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. Here the remainder is not equal to 0. Again the division process is proceeded with 255 as the dividend and the remainder 102 is the divisor. 2 into 102 is 204. The remainder is 51. Now by using the Euclid's lemma, we can write 255 as 102 into 2 plus 51. Again the remainder is not equal to 0. So 102 is taken as the dividend and the remainder 51 is taken as the divisor. So 2 into 51 is 102. Now the remainder is equal to 0 in the case of the divisor 51. So 102 equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. So the divisor 51 is the HCF of 867 and 255.